Hey guys, the last couple of days before New Year in Japan is time for Osoji, the big clean. So everything gets cleaned. So people queue up at the car washes to wash their cars. They clean their houses, they wash their windows. All the windows at the old farmhouse got washed today, even though the old man had actually done it about 4 weeks ago and pointed that out, by the way. When the queen of the house started cleaning windows, I said, I did that a few weeks ago. They're not too bad. But no, because it's all soji time, you got to get outside like everybody else and clean your windows. 5 degrees Celsius it was today. We're outside cleaning windows. But it's just what they do. It's sort of nice. Start the new year. The idea is start the new year with everything clean. So clean the car inside and out, clean the house inside and out. So the car washes are the most visible, of course, as we're driving around during the day. Big queues of people queuing up at the car washes. Because as you guys know, people in Japan don't mind queuing up for things. I think it makes it more worthwhile. So big, long queues at the car washes. So also there was a story in the media this week of the monks, Buddhist monks, cleaning the Buddha statues. They do that every year too, apparently. Part of their old soji. But the best one that we liked the most was this one. One of the zoos, when they do their cleanup, they also clean the crocodiles. So apparently the crocodiles get a bit of moss on them or something. So they clean the crocodiles for the start of the new year. Isn't that cool? Anyway, there was that. More videos coming soon.